Here, in the heart of Northern Epirus, where the land still speaks the language of ancient Greece, stands a sacred place, Butrint, an ancient city, steeped in myth, grandeur, and memory. Legend says that Helenus, son of Priam of Troy, guided by prophecy, arrived here after the fall of Troy. As the Greeks did before founding a city, he offered a sacrifice to the gods, the offering, an ox, but the wounded animal escaped and took its last breath a short distance away. This was seen as a divine sign, and there the city was founded. Bouthrotos, the wounded ox. That is how Butrint was born. The city soon became a Greek colony of the people of Corfu and flourished, with theatres, temples, markets and walls that still stand proud. Over the centuries, Butrint grew into a centre of culture and commerce. Its soul, unmistakably Greek, from its foundations to the last stone left in place. And even today, that soul remains alive. It greets every visitor through the ancient theatre, the early Christian basilicas, the baptistry with its famous mosaic floor, the Gate of the Lion, the massive stone walls, and the silent lake that surrounds the landscape. It is more than an archaeological site. It is a place of spirit for Hellenism in Northern Epirus. In 1992, Butrint was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, not only for its monuments, but for the way Greek history and nature coexist in a balance that feels almost mystical. Butrint is not simply a collection of ruins. It is a symbol of roots, a bridge between the ancient Greek past and the living identity of a land that refuses to forget.